Newborn babies are prone to getting jaundice. This is caused by high levels of bilirubin in the blood, which makes the skin turn yellow. All of us have red blood cells which carry the oxygen around the body. When these break down, they form unconjugated bilirubin, which is a yellow-orange colored pigment in the blood. Normally, the liver then breaks the bilirubin down into a form the body can excrete. But if the liver is not working properly, you end up with high levels of bilirubin in the blood, causing jaundice. Jaundice is common in newborns, first because they have a greater density of red blood cells, and secondly because sometimes their livers are not sufficiently well developed to break the bilirubin down, especially if they are premature.
So if this happens, then the baby needs treatment to get rid of the bilirubin. This is important because if the concentration of bilirubin gets too high, it can cause a very serious problem in the brain and nervous system called kernicterus.
Phototherapy machines offer a safe way of treating jaundice in newborns. They can be used from the first day after birth. Phototherapy works by shining a blue light on the baby's skin, which breaks down the unconjugated bilirubin into a form that the body can excrete. The controls on the machines allow you to adjust the intensity of the light. There is a light meter which allows you to measure the level of light reaching the baby. You can time how long treatment continues, and you can adjust the height of the machine, which gives you another way to make the light more or less intense. And you can turn on a normal white light to examine the baby. In these films, we will show you two machines which shine blue light from above, the Phoenix and the Colibri. But there are other devices which work in a slightly different way.
Most phototherapies shine blue light from above, but there are some in form of blankets which you wrap all around the baby, and others shine a blue light from above and below.
Machines also come with different types of bulbs. The Phoenix and Colibri devices both use LED bulbs, which are the best because they do not produce extra heat, making heat management for the babies easier.
Most jaundice in newborns corrects itself within a week or two as the baby's liver starts to work. But sometimes there are other underlying conditions causing the jaundice, and these need to be treated.
For more serious cases where levels of bilirubin get very high, phototherapy alone may not be enough. The baby will need a total blood transfusion called an exchange transfusion. For most settings, this will mean referring the baby.
An exchange transfusion is a complicated procedure that has significant risk which cannot be safely carried out in all settings. It should only be done after a decision by a neonatologist and a senior team member.
In these films, we will also show you how to assess babies for phototherapy or an exchange transfusion. We will show you how to set up and operate, to troubleshoot and to maintain the Phoenix and Colibri devices.